Hey there, plant enthusiasts! In today's video, I'll be sharing my personal selection of the best large indoor houseplants that do not need light. Large and tall indoor plants look beautiful in living rooms and add an accent to the house. Office spaces are also great for them to grow. Here are some large indoor plants you can keep in your living room and office that don't need a lot of sunlight. 1. Monstera. Monstera's beautiful leaves are the reason why they are so popular, and they don't even need much light to survive. 2. Snake plant. Snake plants come in different sizes. They are hardy and can survive in almost any condition, including low light. 3. Parlor Palm. Love some tropical vibes in your home but not enough sunlight? Bring in a Parlor Palm and watch your house give some sea vibes. 4. Rubber plant. Rubber plant is a unique-looking plant with large, waxy leaves. They do love some sunlight, so don't keep them in a dark corner. 5. Corn plant. They can grow about 6 feet indoors and are easy to maintain. Corn plants love some shade. 6. Weeping fig. Thriving in filtered light, weeping figs are loved for their teardrop leaves and ease of care. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant-related content. Happy